Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to share with you guys my CVS haul for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip of things that I recommend from the Milani line that I have personally tried and some things that I don't like. Well, I think there's only one thing that I don't like. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys some items that I've personally tried from Milani. So this might help you guys pick out some items. So Milani is spend 10, get a $7 extra care buck. So some items that I have tried and love, you know I love me a good lippy. So I have tried the matte lipsticks by Milani, and these are $6.49, and the lip liners to pair with them are fantastic. I've also tried the liquid lips. So this is the lip creams. So these are $8.49. So I've tried those and they are fantastic. I have also not been a fan of the eyeshadows. So the eyeshadow palettes that I have tried, I do not like. This is actually catching my eye right here. It's their highlighting palettes right here. So they are $12.99. Okay, but my favorite, absolute favorite item from Milani is the Luminoso Baked Blush, you guys. This is fantastic. So it's priced for $10.49, so go ahead and pick this up. If you have CRTs, it'll make for a really great deal, but I really love the baked blushes. So I think this would be a really pretty color as well. It's a little dark, but if you just do it a little bit light, I'm really liking this. So I think I'm gonna pick this up. Okay, so for my first transaction, I had a 25% off coupon that actually came in the mail. So my first deal that I did was the Milani Cosmetics. So I got the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the shade Red Vino. So I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so this is what I picked up from Milani. It is the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the color Red Vino, so it's 09, and I am so excited about this. I'm just gonna try it on for you guys. I have a little bit of pink on my cheeks already, but these are so pigmented, you guys. So pigmented, look at that. Holy crap. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a light dusting of this. I'm gonna bring you guys more to where the light is a little bit better. So, sorry, I'm not a professional beauty YouTuber. Sorry, I'm not a professional beauty, but okay, so I just want to do like a light dusting of this. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Okay, so I just want to take off the excess and then really blend that out. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. You have to be really careful because these blushes, you have a really heavy hand with these blushes. So I think it's even just a little too much. It's like a little too red. It looks like I have like rosacea on my cheeks, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with a powder brush. Anytime you get too much color on your cheeks, just go ahead and just blend it out. But oh my goodness, I think that this is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And another trick, if you have too much color with your blush, then just put like a little bit of translucent powder over, which I think I might do that. I'm gonna sit you guys right here in the bathroom window. I know you guys know the song. Come to my window. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add just like a little bit of translucent powder just to kind of mute that color just a little bit. But you guys, seriously, these blushes are crazy pigmented. So you really need to have a light hand, but I think that this is gorgeous. What do you guys think? I think it's a really good color. So again, this blush is in the color Red Vino, number 09. So I think that this is absolutely gorgeous. And then I also picked up the Revlon Kiss Balm Exfoliating Lip Scrub. So this was $5.99. I used the printable 2 off 1 coupon from coupons.com, and that $4 mystery coupon. I got this because I thought it was really cool that it is a lip exfoliator. So when you guys are wanting to do red lips for the fall time, you want to exfoliate your lips. So this was a nice freebie. And then I also did the Nexxus hair care deal. So the conditioner was $21.41, I think it was. Yeah, $21.49. I had a 3 off 12 hair care CRT that I used, and there were $2 off one CVS coupons for Nexxus. It was attached to the product, so I picked that up. And then my 25% off coupon applied to the Nexxus, the Milani, and the Revlon. I had a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, but I totally brain farted at the register and I forgot to actually hand it to her, but that's okay. And then I also had a CRT for the hair care. So I paid $22.41, but then I got $17 in extra care bucks, which then I rolled over to the John Frieda. So John Frieda is on a buy one, get one half off. And I had a 2 off 2 John Frieda hair care CRT that printed today at the red machine. And then I rolled $17 in extra care bucks. So I paid $3.47 and then I got back $10 in extra care bucks. And then I needed to get some eggs, so I picked that up. I got a Dove chocolate bar, and then I got 2 of these Chameleon cold brews because I wanted to try it. So I paid 76 cents. So that is everything that I picked up from my CVS haul.